Whatever your needs for high productivity and reliable scrap handling, eCrane can offer a tailor-made solution to optimize your operation, increase efficiency, and lower costs. In today's consumer society, there's an ever-increasing demand for steel products. To keep pace with this trend, metal recycling has become an essential part of the steelmaking process. More than half of all the new steel produced is made from recycled scrap. eCrane Worldwide, a heavy equipment design and construction company based in Belgium with subsidiary companies in the Netherlands and the USA, has been providing reliable solutions for the past 20 years to the recycling and steelmaking industry, with a global support network of agents, spare parts, and service technicians. Next-generation scrap solutions designed for both steel mills and recycling centers feature our core product, the eCrane. It's all about balance. The eCrane is a truly revolutionary multifunctional crane, perfect for heavy-duty scrap and material handling applications. Its unique parallelogram-style boom provides a direct mechanical connection between the counterweight and the load, and keeps the eCrane in perfect balance throughout its full working range. Compared to conventional cranes and mobile material handlers that use up as much as 80% of their available energy just to move the boom, stick, and grab, the eCrane balance principle results in the lowest energy cost per processed ton in the industry, making eCrane the perfect green alternative. Low energy consumption combined with high efficiency means the eCrane is a low-cost, economical solution as well. The modular design of the eCrane streamlines the manufacturing process, resulting in short delivery times, even for custom equipment. Major components are specifically designed for easy transportation on trucks, barges, or ships to any destination on the planet. On-site installation and assembly time is held to a minimum thanks to the simple eCrane concept. The versatile eCrane tackles any scrap handling job you put under its boom. Ships, barges, trains, trucks, all unloaded with ease. The eCrane shines on dedicated tasks, feeding shredders, filling shears, or loading charge baskets. Load or unload ocean-going vessels with higher throughput than any other type of crane, bar none. One eCrane will replace several mobile material handlers every time. Every eCrane is custom designed to meet your specific needs. eCrane fixed pedestals have the smallest footprint. Its freestanding pedestals require the least local infrastructure. Traveling options include electrically driven rail undercarriages, as well as diesel crawlers with electric plug-in. The balanced eCrane also provides the stability that's so hard to achieve in floating barge mounts. The E in eCrane stands for more than just equilibrium. It also stands for clean electric operation, productivity-enhancing ergonomic controls and cab for the crane operator, effortless operation with state-of-the-art technology, exact grab placement using proven hydraulic systems, an energy-saving economic solution. Over the last 2 decades, the unique eCrane has established a proven track record. It's well recognized in the industry as a solution for today's ever-changing scrap handling requirements. With lifting capacities of 5 to 50 tons, eCrane provides you with the answers you're looking for. eCrane Worldwide doesn't just supply cranes, they supply turnkey scrap handling solutions. eCrane engineers have visited hundreds of mills, terminals, and scrap processing facilities around the world. This vast experience provides important value-added features. There are no lifting, climactic, or logistics challenges that we have not experienced and are not ready to address. eCrane offers steel mills a proven scrap handling solution, combining uniquely designed equipment with state-of-the-art communications to optimize your scrapyard operation. For turnkey installations, eCrane will design, engineer, and construct the optimum scrap handling solution that meets or exceeds your project requirements. It all starts with the design of the layout. Material has to be handled efficiently. More important, in the safest way possible. E-Crane uses 21st century simulation techniques to optimize the scrapyard layout before construction begins. Our ever-growing consumer society leads not only to a growing demand for steel, but also to an increasing need for scrap, which has to be processed, transported, and catered to meet the needs of continuously operating steel mills. E-Cranes provide ideal solutions for every aspect of the scrap life cycle. E-Cranes assist in receiving scrap at local scrap yards around the world. Once the scrap is on site, it must be sorted, stockpiled, and processed in shears, balers, and shredders. After the scrap is processed, it's loaded into small vessels for transportation to the next step in the cycle. Here at the Denolf Recycling Yard in Belgium, one E-Crane does it all. Scrap, a high-value commodity, is being traded globally, and as a result must be transported around the world. Scrap, however, is not easy to handle like coal or grain. Traditional material handlers in mobile harbor cranes can't always get the job done. But these challenging tasks are routine for the E-Crane. In the port of Ghent, Belgium, on the dock at Van Hagen Recycling, part of the Gallo Group, a large E-Crane on high gantry works on loading ships and barges, adding inbound scrap to the stockpile. This E-Crane offloads the scrap at twice the rate of several mobile material handlers. The scrap is then loaded into ocean-going vessels up to Panamax size. This time, the E-Crane at Van Hagen, using its 12 cubic meter grapple, loads Handymax-sized vessels in less than 72 hours, replacing the work of two modern mobile harbor cranes. For small vessels, the large E-Crane achieves a loading rate over 1,000 tons per hour. Once the vessels are fully loaded, they sail to the final stop in the life cycle, the steel mill. At steel mills around the world, scrap is received and staged before it is fed into the melt shop charge basket. Loading charge baskets is a mission-critical job, as baskets enter the mill just in time to be melted 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year. The loading itself is extremely important and complicated. The baskets must not only have the right mix of scrap, but each of the different types must be loaded in the correct sequence. The operator uses state-of-the-art computer communication systems to download the recipe from the melt shop. While filling the baskets, the same systems monitor and verify that the mix meets the requirements. This mission-critical duty requires precise, reliable equipment with maximum uptime to load 24/7. A perfect job for an E-Crane. E-Crane plays a key role at every step of the scrap life cycle. And now the journey concludes in the melt shop, where the life cycle begins once again. The scrap is melted and turned into new steel to find new uses in consumer products and nearly every aspect of life in our ever-growing society. Validation of the E-Crane concept is found in the legion of repeat customers and success stories across Europe, North and South America, Asia, wherever scrap moves all around the world. With its new customers, E-Crane is steadily growing its worldwide clientele to include the most successful and forward-thinking companies in the scrap recycling and steel industry. For scrap processing, transportation, or catering, no task is too big for E-Crane. When it comes to mission-critical scrap handling, E-Crane has the solution. Next-generation scrap logistics. E-Crane.